Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where here in Alabama they put ranch on tacos and act like it's normal. Not in this kitchen. Today we're going to make Instant Pot Carne Guisada. We're going to take 2 pounds of boneless beef chuck roast and we're going to cut it into 1-inch cubes. Already done that. Take 1 teaspoon of salt. We're going to sprinkle it on. I'm just going to put my lid on and we're going to mix it up, get the salt incorporated into the meat. We're going to set that aside. We're going to set our Instant Pot to saute. In batches, we're going to sear the meat. As the meat gets done, take this meat out and keep going. Now while it's still in saute mode, we're going to add in 1 medium onion that's been diced, 1 jalapeno that we diced, 1 clove of crushed garlic, and 1 green bell pepper diced. We're going to add in 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, a ½ teaspoon of salt. And we're going to saute this for about 5 minutes. So now after 5 minutes, we're going to pour in 1 cup of beef broth. Make sure you scrape off any of that goodness that's on the bottom of this pan. We're going to bring this to a simmer. Now that we've brought it to a simmer, we're going to add our beef in and all the juices that have been released while it's been sitting. And 1 can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. Give that a good mix. We're going to take it off saute mode. We're going to put the lid on. Struggle doing it backwards. We're going to cook for 15 minutes. And I always let it release for 20 minutes. Now it's been naturally releasing for 20 minutes. We're going to open it up. Take a 1/4 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. We're going to mix it up and make a slurry. Set that back to saute. We're going to stir it into the pot. And we're going to saute it for 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes, we're going to go ahead and turn off the heat. We'll let this cool down a little bit, and then we'll eat. And now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. It may not be super authentic, but it's still better than anything I can get around here in Clanton, Alabama. Their authentic isn't authentic. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.